Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a circle of balloons. First, gather your materials. You'll need approximately 100 to 120 balloons in various sizes, from 5 inches to 12 inches. A balloon pump will save you time and effort. Don't forget fishing line and scissors. Finally, select a sturdy circular base, such as a hula hoop or a wire frame, to provide the structure for your beautiful balloon circle. Next, let's inflate and pair your balloons. Inflate them to various sizes, from small 5-inch balloons to larger 12-inch ones, to create visual depth. Once inflated, tie 2 balloons together at their necks to form a secure pair. Repeat this process until you have approximately 50 to 60 balloon pairs ready. This variety in size is key to achieving a full and professional-looking balloon circle. Now, let's assemble your balloon circle. Begin by attaching the balloon pairs to your circular base, like a hula hoop, using fishing line. Wrap the fishing line securely around the necks of 2 balloon pairs and then around the base. Continue adding pairs, pushing them tightly together to ensure there are no visible gaps. Distribute your colors and sizes evenly as you go, creating a lush and full appearance. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Inspect your balloon circle for any small gaps and fill them with 5-inch balloons, tucking them in to create a seamless, full effect. If you wish, enhance your design with decorative elements such as artificial flowers, greenery, or ribbons. Give your entire circle a gentle shake to ensure all attachments are secure. Your stunning balloon circle is now ready to be displayed and enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.